Guys, welcome to today's tutorial. It's your girl Lillian. If you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. If you have been here, welcome again to another video. Today I'm excited because I'm doing a video of what people have been asking me in my inbox. I showed you how to clean and to rinse the aloe vera leaf, and most of you are asking now, because it is clean, how do I use it on my hair for massive hair growth? And I'm excited because today I'm answering all your questions on how we use aloe vera leaf for massive hair growth. I use aloe vera leaf in 3 or 4 different ways, which I will show you in every maybe different videos because it's a bit long. One, I use aloe vera leaf as a conditioner. So today we shall make a conditioner. I use it as a detangler. As you see my hair, I have knots. So we shall use it to detangle the hair. I also use it as oil. I make oil out of the aloe vera leaf. So we shall do all that today in this video. So stay tuned, learn and try this at home. So another question that people are inboxing me and asking me is where to get the aloe vera leaf. I believe it is in supermarkets or in groceries. Yeah, mine I got it from the farm, but I believe it's there in the supermarkets. So that is where you can get it and prepare all that I'm going to show you. And remember, we talked of consistency. If you want to see results in your hair, it's not a one-day thing. You have to be consistent with the process and wait for results. So I go direct to preparing the aloe vera gel. Yes, the aloe vera gel. And after I prepare the gel, I shall blend it and use it as a detangler and as a pre-poo and also as a treatment. So this is the leaf. If you look at this leaf, it has a white edge. So we remove this edge. When you buy aloe vera leaf, you'll find that the edge produces a yellow juice, and we are not interested in that yellow juice. The nutrients that we want are in the gel. So what I do, the first thing, I cut the white part. That one, the white part, I throw it away. I also cut this edge like that. So I'll not throw this permanently because I'll use it to make the oil. So I'll just put it there, but I'll get it back. So the other thing is to remove the thorns. You remove the thorns and be very careful not to hurt yourself. Like that. The other side, the same. You do the same to the other side. Like that. Then you slash into pieces. Now this is the gel that we are going to scoop out of the aloe vera leaf. You cut it into pieces, small pieces, like that. So this one I'd prepared earlier, so I'll just eliminate that part and that part. You do the same, remove the thorns like that and cut into pieces. So after doing that, I shall take back this aloe vera piece, one of the pieces, and demonstrate how we remove the gel. So you just cut it into 2. I try to remove from the, okay, not very deep, like that. So this is the gel. You can see the gel, and I'll put it here. You can scoop using a spoon, but I prefer using a knife. But for you to use a knife, you must be very careful not to hurt yourself. You see, That's the gel. And I'll do the same to all the other pieces. Make sure it doesn't have the green part. You want the gel like that. Now as you can see, it is so slimy, so you must be very careful not to cut yourself. This is the gel that we are interested in. Okay, there goes the gel. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. And our gel is ready. Make sure you don't waste anything. I'm trying to remove the green part like that. So this is our gel. Look at that. Oops. That is our gel. That's what we're going to use to detangle the hair and to pre-poo. Pre-poo is the process of applying aloe vera gel to your hair immediately before shampooing. So it's kinda treatment. So that is what I'm going to do. So that's the gel. You can look at the stickiness. So I'll just blend it so that we can get all the juice out of the aloe vera gel. At times I don't blend. When I have time, I just use my fingers to smash it. Okay. So guys, this is our gel. I want to blend it so that I can squeeze out all the juice in the aloe vera leaf. So it's a bit, be careful, it can be messy at times. Like that. Ew. Wonderful. Then I'll blend. So guys, our gel is ready and I'm excited. My hair is about to eat. This is the gel. Look at it. So I'll sieve it so that the particles don't get to my hair. You sieve it like that. Look at it. So I'll speed the process by using my spoon like that. There is our gel. It's ready to be used as a detangler to detangle our hair. Number 2, as a pre-poo process before shampooing, because I'm going to wash my hair today. And number 3, as a treatment. There is our gel. So you can, by the way, when you're scooping the gel out of the leaves, unless you're a guru, please use a spoon. Use a spoon, or else you might chop off your fingers. So our gel is ready. You can see it's ready. And we move to the next process of applying it on my hair as a detangler. Guys, our gel is ready. So I use a funnel to put the gel in a spray bottle so that I can spray it on my hair. Now we have made the aloe vera gel. Those who are asking how aloe vera gel is made, that is how we make aloe vera gel. Now we go to application of the aloe vera gel as a detangler, as a pre-poo, and as a treatment. Keep enjoying. So we are back. This is the aloe vera gel. I told you in the first video that you should never undo your hair while it's dry, so I will use oil instead of water because I'll use this as a detangler. This is ginger oil. I have made it. I'll show you in another video. You need a massager so that the gel gets into the scalp. When the scalp is massaged, stimulation, there is proper blood flow. Yeah, so we need a wide comb to comb my hair. Now step one. So I have 3 knots. That is one. I have another one here, knot 2 and knot 3. So I will do 1 knot. The first thing is you spray oil into the knot like that to moisturize it so that you prevent breaking. I said this is ginger oil. I'll do another video to show you how I make the oil and undo your knot. Try to use your fingers if the knots are not very tight. That is it, and that is our hair. So the next thing is to use aloe vera gel as a detangler. Okay, so the hair has tangles, so you spray from the edge like that. Spray from the edge down to the roots and make sure it gets to the scalp like that. Ooh, I forgot to cover myself. Let me grab a towel. It can be messy, so always use a towel. Don't forget, like me, like that. So as you massage it inside, you start undoing like something like that. Ooh. Don't worry. Like that. And when combing, you start from the edges upward. So when you have this, you're guaranteed your hair will not cut, will not break, will not break. So as I said, it can be messy, but we have to bear with that if you want our hair to be healthy. So you will comb, divide portions as I said, and comb through like that. I'll put a pin so that I can move to the other knot. Like so. I'm in the last knot. I had already okay. So I'll spray from the edges like that. Make sure it gets to the scalp. Ooh. It gets to the scalp. Remember we talked about a massager. You massage it like that. Like that. And I believe it's detangled. Look at it. Like that. And now I'm through with using aloe vera gel as a detangler. I'll move to the other side that I started with. Now to pre-poo, the second way I use aloe vera. To pre-poo is to apply aloe vera gel to the hair before shampooing. As I said, today is a wash day for my hair, so I'll go back to this knot, because as you're detangling, at times the gel dries off or it pours, so you'll do it again. But now, because you have already combed the hair, just make it wet. Make it wet like that. Massage inside, and don't forget the edges, the root of the hair. And I'll do the same with the other knots. Guys, I'm through with all the 3 knots, and now I will cover it with a shower cap for 2 hours as I do my other chores, and after that I will wash my hair. I'm ready to do my other activities of the day for 2 hours, and I'll go to the shower and wash my hair. So guys, I hope you have learned how to use aloe vera gel as a detangler. Use it in pre-poo and also as a treatment, because what I have done is a treatment. There is deep treatment, and this one is okay. I'll do another video on deep treatment where I'll use other ingredients. But I hope today's lesson you have learned. Try it on your hair and be consistent, my dear ones. Be consistent for good results. Thank you for watching. Like, share, please, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye.